Do you want to start selling coffee mug set or have your customer buy more than one mug for your online coffee mug business, but you're afraid to because you're not sure how to safely pack two mugs together? If so, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way how I safely pack two mugs together for my online coffee mug business. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. If you're thinking about starting your own online coffee mug business, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how you can get my ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners, where I'll show you step by step how to start your own highly profitable online coffee mug business from scratch. Now, let's get to the video. So what I have here is my two mugs. I have the box that I'm going to be using. It's a 12 by 6 by 6. I have bubble wrap. I have two of them that I've already cut up. It's about 2 feet that I'm using of the bubble wrap. I have my tape. I have my scissor. I have my fragile stickers. I have my packing peanuts. And lastly, I have my label that I'm going to be using. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and just tape my box off. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill up my box with packing peanuts. And I'm going to fill it about halfway. I'm going to place my handle going on the inside and make sure your mug is placed in the middle of the bubble wrap. So once I place it on the inside, I'm going to go ahead and just roll it. And then I'm going to grab a piece of tape. And I'm just gonna tape the bubble wrap together. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with my second one. Place it in the middle, making sure the handle goes on the inside, and just roll it. Okay. Once I do that, I'm gonna grab my box back. And then I'm just gonna fold my bubble wrap in. I'm gonna fold my bubble wrap in. And then I'm gonna place with the handle going on the inside into my packing peanut. And I'm just gonna push my mug down. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the next mug. Fold the two side in. And then put it next to the mug and just push it down. So the good thing about these packing peanuts is that they're small enough that they can fall in between the gaps, and keeping it safe so that it does not break while in shipping. So once I do that, I'm just gonna fill in the rest to the top with packing peanut. So I want the packing peanut to fall in between the gaps. And I'm just gonna push it down so the packing peanut can the box. I'm gonna grab a piece of tape. I'm just gonna cut a piece of tape, and I'm gonna put it on one side of my flap. So once I closed my forward flap down, I'll already have my tape there. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it in. So you see my tape is already there, so I don't have to struggle, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that's fully taped. And then I'm gonna grab my label. I'm just gonna put my label on one of the side. I like to make my tape long enough so that it can go over the top. It's just another layer of tape. And this will be my last tape. And lastly, I like to top it off with my fragile sticker, and I put 2 on these mug box. And there you have it. I have a box that I just packed my 2 mugs in, and if you try to shake it, you can't hear any rattling or any of the movement from the mugs, or because the packing peanuts that we use, it just fills in the gap. Also creating that gap between the 2 mugs, the packing peanut are in between so that the 2 mugs doesn't touch each other. So if the package get a little mishandled, it does not break. But before I let you go, as promised, I'm gonna show you where you can get my ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners. The link for the ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners is in the description. You may also find that link in the comment below. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this page, you can either hit the I want the program now, or you can scroll down and get some more information before you commit. The Ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners simplifies the process of starting a mug business and shows you how you can easily make and sell mugs yourself so you can keep the profit. So why start a mug business? Well, the massive rise in dropshipping and order fulfillment has brought many coffee mug sellers to the marketplace. However, these business models suffer from low profitability, long lead times, low quality control, and low supply risks, leaving opportunity for DIY for sellers like us. Some of the benefits of starting your own mug business and doing it yourself: the gift mugs are in high demand, low competition amongst DIY sellers, low startup investment, high profit margins, and of course, who doesn't want to work from home? Derek and I have been selling coffee mugs online for over 7 years now, and we've learned a thing or two. So let us teach you. We want to be able to share that information with you so that you don't have to go through the learning curve like we did. If you continue to scroll down, you'll be able to know how many modules there is and what the module consists of. There are 5 modules and 29 lessons. And if you continue to keep scrolling down, you'll be able to know exactly what's in the lesson of each module. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, to start your own online coffee mug business, this is the right program for you. Go ahead and click the enroll button. Once you click on that enroll now button, it'll take you to sign up page. Go ahead and enter your information. Once you enter that information, click the buy now button. Once you click that buy now button, you'll receive an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. We hope to see you in the program. If you like this video and if it was helpful, please hit the like button. And again, if you're wanting to start your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I'll see you in the next video.